Guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. After that, you walk in. Look at me there. All you need to do is just to walk for some period of time, for some few seconds. Then you get to a point. Then you can now bend down. Look at what I did. Then after this part now, you can now walk out, okay? Then as you walk out, you record the background for few seconds, all right? That is all. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, click on CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Look at that volume sign there. We are going to be clicking it as we silence the volume. Locate where you want your video to start from, alright? Before you walk into the scene, you're going to be clicking here now to make a split. Then you delete the first part as we don't need it again. So you locate when you have walked in. Immediately you bend down. Look at you there, make another split. Then you go. As you walk out, you are making another split here to delete this middle part as we don't need it again. Then you come back. We are going to be clicking it. Let's darken the background a bit, all right? So click on adjust. You click on brightness, then you reduce it to -5. You go and look for highlight, guys. Locate highlight, click on highlight, reduce it to -5. You click on shadow, reduce it to -5. After that, you mark on this good now. Then we are going to be going back. This is what it's going to look like. Then you come back as we locate overlay. Click on overlay here. Add overlay. Then you import this your sky, import it to workspace. Then you can adjust it. Take it up, click it and go and look for mask. All right, locate mask. You click on mask, you click on rectangle, you resize it. After resizing it, you position it. Then you can play with that feather. Drag this feather icon down, drag it down. Just drag it down and do your necessary adjustment. You can see what I am doing. After that, you are going to be marking on this good here. We go back. So after that, we come to the middle, guys. Just go to the middle. We are going to be adding another thing, another light. But before then, guys, you are going to be telling us your opinion about this video, all right? And tell us what magic effect you would like us to create next. Drop it at the comment section. You might be lucky we pick yours, okay? Guys, smash your like button if you like what we are doing, all right? If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? You are welcome back to this tutorial. Click on add overlay. Then you import this your light to workspace. Click on splice there. Click on splice, click on filter, you mark on this good, you go back. So you drag this part of the light here. You are going to be clicking it to expound it, all right? After expounding it, you place it at the position of the character yourself. Place it there. After that, we are going to play it. Let's see how it's going to play. Look at it. Do your necessary adjustments. After doing your necessary adjustments, we are still going to go and drag the other part of the light to come and align with this one. But play this part. Look at how it's going to play, all right? After playing it, you click it and trim it a bit. Then you go now and drag the other part of the light, all right? Look at it. Then drag it to come and align with this one. Then after aligning it, you are going to still be expounding it like you did to the other one. After expounding it, you do your necessary adjustments. Click it and go and look for mask, okay? Then you click on mask, you click on horizontal. Then you play with this feather icon and position it the way it's going to be. You mark on this good, then you go back, all right? So at this point, this is how it's going to be marking on this arrow. We are going to be coming back, going to go back, mark on this arrow. You click on add overlay. Look at add overlay here. So click on add overlay, guys. Then you import this human on you. Then you go and look for remove BG. Locate remove. Click on remove BG here. Chroma key. You drag it. You mark on this good. you click it again to look for adjust. Alright, okay. Click on adjust, look for HSL, click on HSL, mark on that green, that blue there, saturation, then you reduce saturation to 100%, you mark on that, you go back, so you have to use your hand, you have to adjust this character, human character, the way it's going to be. Do your necessary adjusting it, do your necessary adjustments. After the whole adjustment, after adjusting, the next thing we are going to be doing now, just come to this place now and add keyframe here. Click it and add keyframe. You adjust the video, then you start expounding this character, expound it. After expounding it, you are going to adjust it again and expound it, finish. All right, then after that we are going to be playing it. Let us see what we have got so far. So you play it now, look at how it's going to play. Good, good. So at this point now, we are going to be clicking here to make a split and delete the last part. Click the light and duplicate it so that the light will follow and play to the end. So at this point, crop out this one, crop out this last part of the light, bring it on top of his head and position it well. After positioning it, just do your necessary adjustment. All right, after doing the adjustment on this part, now we are going to come to the middle of the video. So you click on this other light here, we are duplicating it. All right, so you duplicate this other part of the light, you drag it to the other side, this part here, and when you bring it here, you are going to be clicking it, then you go and look for mask. Okay, locate mask, click on mask here, you click on circle. All right, then you position it and play with that feather icon. After positioning it, you play with this feather icon, then you mark on this good here, you go back, position the light the way it's going to be. All right, then after that we have gotten this part. Okay, then you come to the middle, come to the light part, this part here, you are going to be clicking on add overlay, you import this one, then you click on splice. All right, click on splice, guys, click on filter, then you mark on this good and go back, position this your vanish effect the way it's going to be. This is fantastic. Then after that we are going to play it. Let's see, this is fantastic. Then do your necessary adjustments. All right, this is very nice. Okay, then you can now do other adjustments, but as far as I'm concerned, this is good. You can go to the ending part of the video and remove the unwanted parts. From here, remove the unwanted parts. Then we are going to be playing this video from the beginning as the video is ready. Remember to add all your sound effects. We have a lot of them to add here. Add all your sound effects and every other effects. After that, you export this video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things, I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video my number is there. DM me, I am going to put you through on how to add those things. After that, you click on export here now, then you export this video to your gallery. So you can see that the video is exporting. You just exercise patient. Now this video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. All right, but guys, tell us what magic tricks you would like us to create next. All right, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Smash your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video, guys. Thank you for watching.